Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your custom jewelry designer business. If you're a custom jewelry designer, then managing all the appointments and sharing updates can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for custom jewelry designer business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hi. And eventually our chatbot responds with, "Hi, welcome to our jewelry designer store. Let's create your dream jewelry. How can I assist you today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says share design idea. And our chatbot responds with, "Share design idea. Please upload a photo, sketch or describe your custom jewelry idea. We will share ideas and codes soon." So here I'm going to send this image as custom jewelry design. And our chatbot responds with, "We have received your designs. One of our designers will get back to you, or you can directly contact us on this given number." So I'm going to select the second option that says book appointment. And it responds with book appointment. Let's fix a time. Please reply with date. So here I'm going to send a date like this. And the chatbot responds with, "Your booking is confirmed for given date. We are excited to have you in our jewelry store." Lastly, I'm going to select the option of track order. And our chatbot responds with, "You can check your order status live from here." And it has provided us with the tracking link. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for custom jewelry designer business. We have created this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to name it as Custom Jewelry Designer WhatsApp Chatbot. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. Here I am going to add a welcome message. Here I have added this message which will look like this to the user. Here I have added little star signs at the beginning and at the end of the text because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional. With the help of this add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options such as share design idea as well as book appointment, and lastly I'm going to add an option of track order. Once we are done with our first message, we have to curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with share design idea, and for this I'm going to access action type nodes and then I'm going to click on ask media to get a media question box. Here I've added this message. Share design idea, please upload a photo, sketch or describe your custom jewelry idea. We will share ideas and codes soon. I'm going to leave contact custom field empty. Then I'm going to select media type as image. I'm going to enter number of attempts as 5 and then I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Lastly, I'm going to link it to share design idea option. Then I'm going to curate a response for this with the help of text button. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. Then once we are done with our first response, we can move on to the next one, that is book appointments. And for this, I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Put it here. I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Here I've added this message, book appointment, let's fix a time. Please reply with date. Here we have an option to select contact custom field. I'm going to select it as time and as format, I'm going to select as any. If you want to know how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Then I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. Your booking is confirmed for $time. Time was our contact custom field and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date sent by the user. We are excited to have you in our jewelry store. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for track order. Here I'm going to add text button. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user and here we have added a tracking link. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for custom jewelry designer business. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done, you can save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.